Hi everyone, welcome back to iProp Fun. And today in True IKEA fashion, we're going to walk through how to install this Kallax shelving unit by IKEA. This is a white color shelf that is measurement by 77 by 77 cm. There are other color options: black brown, white stain oak effect, and high gloss white. So after setting up, you can put it in your living room, dining room, or family hall, but for us, we put it here in the master bedroom. You can easily store your books in the shelves or put display items inside, or get one of those portable boxes and fit inside the shelf. I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my referral link. You get a shelf and I get a small commission from every sale that is made that goes to help to support this channel.